You know we love what I eat in the days. This is borderline close to her bowl. Hi everyone, so for 2022 I have a big goal of having 10,000 subscribers, so it will mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is totally free, and I promise on this YouTube channel all you'll be getting is quality, first class, premium content. So please hit the subscribe button and let's get to 10k subscribers. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iduma. Hey guys, I'm pretty excited for today's video because it's the first what I eat in a day in the year. If you're an older subscribers, you know we love what I eat in the days. I'm actually going to I'm going to try to know what I eat in a day and then probably what I eat in a week. But hello, welcome. Do subscribe, do click the like button to support the channel. Abuja is still hot and I want to have breakfast now. I don't know, I've been constipated since yesterday, so I want to have something that just, you know, helps with constipation, and that's like beetroot, lime, cucumber, you know, like stuff that does help with constipation. So yeah, that's the problem I'm having. And then my wig is just giving me heat. Like, see, I'm sweating. I need to go and do like fresh new cornrows maybe tomorrow, just so that I don't need to wear a wig. But I'm hot. I just had my bath. Can you believe it? It's not advisable to rub cream at this hour. I promise you it's not. Let's go and have breakfast. I've made my juice like pretty early in the morning before I went for a workout. And yeah, let's go pick it.
We should know the kind of questions that we want to ask first to help us face the story.
Definitely.
Do you get? That's I'm saying that what are the kind of things that we want to know? Where's my phone?
Go.
For people. We say this school.
I remember I haven't really said anything about what I'm having. I had plantain. I've been craving it, but then I air fried it. I like air frying it because it just tastes like you fried it and stuff like that. I'm having stew, leftover stew, and cucumber, ginger, and lime here. Like I said, I'm trying to deconstipate myself. I don't know what's making me constipated. I don't know, but guys, if you're holding on forgiveness, that can constipate you. Let go. Really let go. And then I'm having a small salad. Really small salad, and it's just 3 ingredients. It's beetroot, because beetroot also helps to, you know, helps with bloating, and carrots and apples. A little bit of lime on the apple just so that the apples don't turn brown, but it's my favorite salad because it's simple. It really is simple and it's sweet. That's what I'm having as my first meal. I just remembered that I had my photo shoot for my cover art last week, and I have clips of it, and I said I would like take you guys along. I haven't gotten the pictures yet. I don't think I'll still get the pictures because the pictures are coming out on Wednesday and this video is going up on Tuesday, so I won't have pictures yet. So but then I'll still show the pictures of it, maybe in another vlog. This is borderline close to Agbo. I think it's because of the 3 limes, but it's almost there in Agbo. Comment down below if you've had Agbo. I haven't had it, but I assume it tastes like this. But I don't know. Now that my salad is in my mouth and I'm having this, like the apple kind of like gives it a bit of sweetness. Should I put apple in it? Like half of the apple.
Oh my god! Yay! So today we are having a photo shoot for Igo's podcast.
Yeah.
We're dancing. You think so?
Hello, how are you? Hello, sir. Yay, boss man.
You guys missed Marianne.
I believe everyone actually missed her. Like,
I'm done with my shoot. I had an amazing time working with my photographer.
Super tall, 6'2".
Whatever. Good evening, everyone. I have some fruit salad. I've put some beans porridge for dinner, and I'm going to show you the tray. I just took it up. So for dinner I had beans porridge, then I had a little bit of watermelon and pineapple, and also to like part of the things that were not like shown was, you know, like midday I had granuts, and okay, that was the only thing I had, just as an added protein, just because I know that I only had like a little bit of meat actually, because I thought one was like a big chunk of meat, but it was, what do you call it, mostly bone. I try to have a lot of fruits. I try to have my vegetables, just a little bit of it. Like you saw in the beans porridge, like there's green in it, so that's how I add my greens into it. I really try to make it balanced. Because I know it keeps me satiated for longer, because like I had like my first meal of the day by 1 p.m. and I didn't get hungry till like past 8, and then, you know, I had what I had for dinner. The ekpan kuku, I wanted to just for like my friend to try it, because I know she has not had like an experience with it, so I just wanted like just for her to have that experience. And then I continued with like my cucumber drink. It wasn't a boyish again by the evening time, honestly. It was actually way more better to have. And we had like grilled fish yesterday night, but we put it in the oven and heated it up just as proteins, because beans are actually carbohydrates, fun fact. So just to like add in more protein, because I had greens there, and then I had, you know, my vegetables and my fruits too. That's actually what I have in a day. You know, the video was just to show you like what I eat in a day, not necessarily to tell you to copy how I eat in a day. I have 2 meals a day, sometimes 3 meals. I try to have like snacks, but my snacks are actually mainly nuts or like fruits. I don't know. I'm not also to say that I eat the best. Okay, I just eat what's available to me, and also to eat what my family makes. Honestly, I eat what my family makes. So that's how I've been eating. I don't particularly make my meals anymore, so that's actually why you didn't see me like take you through the process of making it. I hope you're able to get a simple salad recipe, or try out air frying if you haven't tried it, just in case you miss fried food or something like that, because that really helps me. Or you know, you could try like basic porridge. I don't know, I enjoy beans porridge. I wanted to just show like that you can literally have anything you want whenever you want. Just have it balanced, have it proportional. You know, I really think once you actually eat a balanced meal, your body knows. When I'm lacking a class of food, my body knows. So I just think it through. I'm just like, was there enough protein? Was there enough fats in it? You know, because I know I get my fats from my oil. So I don't know, whenever I have a balanced meal, my body knows it. I feel so I feel so satiated, and you know, I stay longer, like without snacking and stuff like that. So yeah, do try to have a balanced meal. It could be anything. I'm not telling you how to eat. Actually, I'm not telling you how to eat or when to eat. I'm just showing you my meals. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.